Hey guys, so today I am going to be recreating an artwork that I made over 3 years ago, and here it is. This is the artwork. To be honest, it's actually not that bad. The only thing that is bad about it is that some of the letters are bigger than the other letters and the lines are not straight. So of course there are a few flaws in this, but hopefully when I recreate it I can fix it and make it better. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe, like, and ring the notification bell so you guys know when I post a new video. So the first thing I'm going to do is just draw a rough sketch. And it's going to look a little plain, but it's going to get better. Also, this video is a little different, I guess. I'm not going to be talking as much because there's really nothing to say about this. I actually didn't change much about this artwork. It was kind of just the same design. Something that I did change up was I put artist instead of crafter, but that's all. Oh, and this is where I try to do some nice close-up shots, but it was kind of blurry. Wait, let me replay that. That's a pretty cool magic trick. Anyways, this is the art. I kind of don't like it, so I'm gonna cut off artist just because it's like a smaller type of text and everything else looks normal. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I'm going to go a little bit more into detail, and I'm going to start cutting around the details and letters just to make it a little bit better because my lines weren't straight and I could never get them straight. So I'm just cutting around everything. So in the end, here it is. I kind of like the original better. So what am I going to do? Should I make a new one? No, I'm just kidding. I didn't make a new one. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. I have some very exciting videos planned up for next time, so I will see you then. Bye!